You're fine. I just gotta cut the fur balls.
Hold his legs?
Yes, please.
We'll turn him outside.
I had him on the side. He already moved on me. Yeah, get him. I know. Just get. There's a bunch of them in here.
Where's your other foot?
What's this? Wiggle her around here.
Give him a second. Give him a second.
Alright.
He'll flip crap.
Oh, here we go.
Stop being a wuss. Stop. Don't be a grouch.
No, you're not gonna do it.
Give him a second. Give him a second. Oh, shut up.
The possessed look.
No, you're not going anywhere.
We're getting there.
He's probably gonna start biting me soon.
Yeah, look at these pretty. Taking out too much hair now, right?
Oh, shut up. We're fixing you.
Yeah, I know. But just this whole area side. Fur. I know. That's right, Bella. You tell him. Shut up. You're fine. You liked it last time. Yeah, I know. It's terrible. I'm sorry.
That's why I bite him.
He's just gonna bite him. Shut up.
You're a wuss, alright? It's just the knots that we're clearing up. Stop being a wuss. You're a wuss. Not a wuss.
I'm sorry, I know you really know. Oh my god, I didn't even cut him.
Stop trying to bite me.
I know, I'm sorry. You're gonna make it look pretty.
You're a wuss. That's why I bite him.
Get him, Bella, get him. Oh, I'm almost done.
Such a whiner.
I'm almost done.
We're almost done with this side.
Actually, he doesn't feel too bad on the other side. This was where most of them were right here. So, now he just looks funny again. Oh, you gonna bite me? That's the personality?
Don't try to bite my feet. Bite him, Bella. Bite him.
Bella, thank you, referee. Go away now. He's gonna bite you back.
That's right. Oh my God, Bella.
That doesn't help. She's like, shut up. She thinks it's a drama queen. Oh, you almost took out the camera. Ooh. Good girl.
Okay, so we should get her out of the video.
Joke, what? I'm doing it.